Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make and apply some piping. You know what it is, piping? I didn't. So what is piping? Piping is this. And why you need piping? So the piping will give you structure to our project. I will show you. I've done this lunch bag is empty, so if I want to put something smaller inside, so this is gonna be like this, so no structure on it. And this one has some structure. Why? Because it has the piping on it. That is the importance of the piping on our projects. So that's what I want to do. That's what we need on it. So for me it was very, very, very hard to find piping to buy. I would like to buy this one here. If you know where I can buy it, you can please leave on the comments below where I can do it, because I cannot find it. So, and I would like to put piping on my project and I couldn't find it. So I only find it on eBay, and it was very, very expensive. And if we want to make some projects and sell them, we need to make them the most cheaper we can, so we can make some money. So it was not worth it. So I thought maybe I can make it, and that's what I have done my researchers. And yes, so we can make the piping and we can apply very easy. So in this video I will show you step by step how to apply and how to do piping. Stay with me. To make our piping, we are going to need some round clear plastic piping cords. I bought from eBay and it has 2.5 centimeters. And we also need a special foot, piping foot. And this one is Teflon, because you can stitch leather, fox leather, vinyl without being stuck. So it has this here. So the piping cords are going to pass through this. That's how we make it. We are going to need some fabric, strip of fabric, measuring 2.5 centimeters. I'm using fox leather, but you can use cotton, vinyl, everything you want. So let's make some piping. So if you don't have enough cords, you can bound two stripes together. So we need two stripes, front with the front. Okay, so we are going to join front with the front like this. Corner with a corner. Let's pin. And then we are going to draw a line, corner to corner, this little corner here. Okay. Like this. Now we are going to make a suture there. So it is like that. Now we're going to trim off. Now we are going to open the suture. Okay, and voila, we got a big stripe now. So we have our cord, our stripe, our special foods. So we are going to put our cord in the middle of the stripe. We are going to close together, and it's gonna be edge with edge. And the special foods will make a sew here very close to the cording. So remember, middle and edge with edge. It's very important that so in here we are going to open and then close it. And that's it. We have our piping done. Now we are going to apply our piping on our fabric. So we are going to put this edge on the front of the fabric, front up, with the piping like this. So it's very important to match edge with edge, okay, all the way around. And the suture needs to be on the edge here, not here, this side. Because if you stitch in here, when you turn around your project, the stitch is going to be seen. So it's very important they will be here, very close to this edge. I will show you that on the machine. Okay? As I said before, it's very important to match the edges together. And we now are with the normal foot. Okay. So now we are going to apply the lateral of our project on the front part. So front with front, lateral front. So we are going to do the same process, match the edges together. Let's clip to help the first stitches. As you can see the piping here, we are going to fit the piping under the special foot. Like this. You can feel the piping, and then you are going to fit it on the right place. When are you sewing, you feel the piping here is kind of guide. It will guide you where you should put the fabric, which direction you need to put the fabric. now we are going to turn, and as you can see, your corner is done all over. With this piping I have done this little purse with the piping all applied. Without the piping this purse could not stand, but as you can see, the piping gave her some stability, some structure. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn the notifications on so you can be notified for the next video. See ya!